I've only ever gotten from Ipsy the Glam bag, never Glam Bag Plus. This is the February 2022 bag. Super excited. I told you guys I wanted to try different like subscriptions. I do get Ipsy, BoxyCharm, Allure. You guys suggested some that I'm going to have to check out. This, I believe it's almost like $30 with the taxes. I'll leave a link to it down below. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Look how cute this bag is. I swear I also wanted to get the regular Ipsy bag because what I love most about that one is the bag. The small like little purse bag, like that's everything to me. I don't know. That's like what I love the most out of all the products. These bags like this is like, I don't know. I don't see like big use for them, but who knows? Let me know what you use these bags for. I did get to choose 3 items. I don't remember what they were anymore. I don't think you get to choose your items with the regular, so this was super exciting. Introducing the Edit Fenty. What is that? And then here it says full hearts. I don't know why they do this, that Ipsy doesn't send like the description of the items. I believe you get 5 full-size items. We'll see if it's true. This is really small. This is a 0.5 ounce. This is from Terra Mars Contour. What is this? Eye Contour. Here you go. I have received something from them before. Body wash. I don't know how much it retails for. It's made in France. So I want to see, what do you mean eye contour? See what it is. I'm going to squeeze it out here. How is this an eye contour? Doesn't really have a scent, but whatever little scent it has, I'm not too much of a fan. Not impressed with the first product. Oh, I think I picked this. Never heard of this brand. Kimchi Chick Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. So you know, of course I was gonna pick this. It says matte. I love matte. I'm super oily. This is a 3.55 ounce. Look how cute this packaging is. I love it. To use, shake well, hold 8 to 10 inches away from the face. This setting spray has a bonus ingredient, silky essence from rice. Ooh, Asia's best kept secret for centuries of gorgeous skin. This is made in China. I don't know if you can see. This is cute. The colors are amazing. Should we spray some on? I just came from the doctor's office, so it's not like I look, you know? Okay, so let me just spray it just because I want to smell it. Alright, no special scent. Let me know if you want a review on this, but I'm excited for this. This I'll definitely try. Oh, I think did I pick this too? I think I picked this. So these are some brushes. I could always use more brushes. These are from the brand Firma. I like that brand. These look okay. They look like detailed brushes. They're very tiny. These are a set of 3. They're all like eye brushes, I believe. I can use this. My eyebrow or angled brush, whatever you use this kind of brush for, is super messed up. I've had it for so long, so I can definitely use this. What I want is like a brush, and I know I have one, the one that's like this with the angled, but also with a spoolie, so you can like draw it out and then take the spoolie and comb it out. I'm excited for this. I'll use this. This is the Firma 205. I guess I can use this for like the inner corner. Yeah, really cool. Or maybe if you just want to like draw a line for some reason here, something very detailed. So yeah, these are very like small brushes. The Firma 301, I can see this used for like lips. Definitely for lips. But you know, you can use it for whatever you like. I'm sure you can find use for it on the eyes too, maybe to like apply concealer, cut the crease or something. So they're good. They're okay. They feel alright. They are a bit dense, you know, because I guess it's for like detailed work or something more precise. So they're not like super fluffy. but they're right. I like the matte black here. Good Glow Blush Duo. This is from Complex Culture. Never heard of Complex Culture. I don't know if I picked this. Let's see. It's a pair of blushes, which I love blushes. So one is called So Chill and Glow Rush. Vegan, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested. You guys know, maybe you don't if you're new, but I love silver, platinum, more than like gold things. So to me, this is gorgeous. I love gray. So beautiful mirror there. Cute if you want any suggestions, instructions. So again, the brand is Complex Couture. Cute. One looks like it's matte. One reminds me like of Luminoso or NARS Orgasm. I don't know if you're familiar. One looks like NARS Orgasm to me, and this looks nice. I go more for like a shade like this, maybe matte, but we'll see how it looks. Eyeshadow palette. Persephone, Dito. Each is developed with a collection of 12 shades, highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. This is cruelty-free, made in China. Wow, this is pretty. It's a beautiful mirror. Now let me show you these shades. All of them look so beautiful and interesting. They all look so like, not color-wise super different. It's like the different designs and this is gorgeous. I love the inside. And I love the packaging on the outside, and I also love this like mirror. Divine. So am I happy with this? Am I impressed with my first Ipsy? Yes, I think because I got to choose like 3 products, so I like that. I don't remember which 3 I got, but I know I picked these 2 here. Maybe it was the blush that I picked. Only like product was like this. I would have liked to see more brands that I know. I absolutely don't know any of these brands, which is not a bad thing, but like send me some of the brands that I'm super excited for. We'll see. I'll definitely keep it for another month, but this is so cute, just the colors and everything. I think my 2 favorite things was the blush. I can definitely do a tutorial with this if you would like, with that palette. I gotta figure out what's the proper way of saying this name here. These brushes to the test. So, and this bag again is nice, but I would have preferred the little purse bag. But all right, you know, if you also get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, do you prefer that to the BoxyCharm, or do you also get both? Let me know. I'm not getting BoxyCharm this month, but I am getting the Allure box, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to reactivate my BoxyCharm. I don't know why I just miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.